Hi guys, back with the Landrover Defender 2020 on models L663. This is the 110. My car's the 110. I've done a short video on a wind noise that comes from the A-pillars, which is quite widely reported on the internet, and I've sort of 99% cured that. If you watch that video, it's quite interesting. I did have a horrendous wind noise from the back of the car. When you're sitting in the driver's seat, you could hear behind your left ear a terrible wind noise. Anyway, I got my wife to drive the car, and I sat in the back, and we established that the wind noise was coming from this area here. It turns out that the wind noise was coming in you could hear the wind noise here. So I took it to the dealer, showed them a little bit of video that I did, and they were quite happy to have a go. The technician sat in the back, a lad called Paul, who was fantastic, at my local Land Rover dealer, and we ended up changing this bonded window. This bonded window was bonded to a frame. The frame gets replaced in there, and we've changed to one of the trims. And again, there's a trim still on order, but that 99% got rid of that wind noise. What it did do is it highlighted that the wind noise actually is on the other side as well. So that's waiting for a window to come into the dealer. But again, just to let you know that there is help out there, and it can be cured. This is my second Defender. The first one was absolutely silent, which is why these wind noises to me stood out. But yep, that's what happened, and it did cure it. So again, good luck, guys.